Now we derive the formula of Boyle law. First we discuss its definition. Definition of Boyle law is for a fixed volume, for a fixed amount of an ideal gas kept at a fixed temperature, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. So here we know that first here we write the derivation. According to kinetic theory, formula of pressure is P is equal to 1 by 3 rho V square. So we know that the here density is equal to mass over volume. So capital M is equal to capital N, that is represent the number of particles, that M is represent the mass of each particle. So here we write the density 1 by 3 N M over V rho V square. V put here is multiplied with pressure, so equation becomes 1 by 3 N mv square. PV, if we multiply and divide it by 2, so equation becomes this, and this is equal to the kinetic energy. Here we also write that the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So here we can write PV is equal to 2 by 3 and kinetic energy. So here we write that this is whole term is the constant. So here we write PV is equal to constant KE. According to kinetic theory of gases, we know that the kinetic energy is directly proportional to T. If we remove the proportionality sign, we get the constant KT. So here the K is equal to KT. So we put PV is equal to constant KT. Now here if temperature T is constant, so K is also constant, so whole term is constant. So here we write PV is equal to constant. So P is equal to constant over V, and P is directly proportional to 1 over V. So here we prove that the pressure is inversely proportional to volume. That is the pressure and volume are inversely proportional and the temperature is constant. Now we discuss the derivation of the Charles law. First we discuss the definition. Definition it at constant pressure, the volume of fixed mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature. So here we prove this derivation, that is the volume is directly proportional to the temperature at fixed pressure. So as we know that the formula of the pressure is P is equal to 1 by 3 rho V square. So here the rho is equal to mass over volume. So mass is equal to capital M small m over V. So here we write P is equal to 1 by 3 N M over V rho over every V square. So this formula here we can write P is multiplied here. PV is equal to 1 by 3 N M V square. So if we multiply and divide it by 2 by 3 and half mv square, this is equal to kinetic energy. P is equal to 2 by 3 and kinetic energy. As we know that the kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature, if we remove the proportionality sign, we get the KT. So the formula becomes PV is equal to 2 by 3 and KT. If P is divided here, 2 by 3 and over PKT. So here the N number of molecules is constant and P pressure is constant. So this whole term that is become the constant. So here we can write V is equal to constant T, and we can write V is directly proportional to T, and this is the Charles law. We will prove it.